Tunataka Njeri.
Njeri is very innocent. Njeri is our hero. Njeri has done something that she should be celebrated, not punished. Why is Njeri being punished? For doing what? For doing what is right. So that's very wrong. What kind of society is this? So these are the questions. The parents are here, the lawyers are here, everybody is here, but we don't know where Njeri is now. Nobody knows what they are doing with Njeri. We don't know, and things are happening. Bad things are happening. We saw what happened with Boni and Agatha in Tanzania. Mazee, Natawalina na wanyama. We are being ruled by sick people, sick men with power in Africa, and they are even sodomizing our people. They are raping our women. They are doing all kinds of evils, and there's no one to stop them. There's no one to tell them no. This is too much. It's just too much. We are very tired. I'm sick and tired.
Barabara mpenzi mtazamaji wa habari zetu, natumai mahali popote ulipo upo mzima na bori wa afya. Karibu nikupashe. Siku ya leo ikiwa tarehe 3 mwaka 2025, mwezi ni Juni, ni mwezi ambao siku ya leo mwanaharakati Rose Njeri atakuwa akifikishwa katika mahakama ya Milimani, ambapo siku ya leo imepata kuwavutia watu wengi ikiwemo lawyers, senior state council members na watu tofauti ambao wamekuja kufika pale Milimani kusikiza kesi dhidi yake Rose Njeri. Watu wengi wangekuwa kiuliza Rose Njeri anakabiliwa na makosa yepi? Rose Njeri ni mwanadada ambaye alipata kutengeneza website ya kuresist finance bill ya mwaka 2026-27 ambapo imepata kuleta gumzo hapa nchini Kenya. Finance bill ile inapata kuzungumzia vitu ambavyo vinaonekana ni kama ukiukaji wa sheria hapa nchini Kenya, na ndiposa Rose Njeri na wanaharakati wenzake walionelea kupata kutengeneza ile website ambayo itakuwa ikiwasaidia Wakenya kupata kuresist finance bill 2025-2026 ambayo itakuwa ni mwaka financial year ambayo itakuwa ikitumika katika serikali yake William Samoei Ruto akiwa na mwenzake msaidizi kama Raila Amolo Odinga. Na wanaharakati kama vile Kelvin Kamau walipata kufika pale kotini Milimani akiwa amekuwa accompanied na Gen Z national leader ambaye anajulikana kama Anthony Karumba na wenzake. Na mtazama video hii pia usisahau kusubscribe, like, share and comment. Jina langu Visai.
High school ex, and she misses her baby. She's a mother of 2 kids. One of the child is 3 years old. And when the police arrested her, they went to her house, ransacked the house. The police stole her hard drives, her computer, they have her phones. And she's a very young lady. Even by size, she's a very young, small lady. But she was arrested by 15 police officers. And they told her they're investigating her because of the website. So we spoke to the police, the OCS, the OCPD, and they said they don't have the powers to release her. The police claim that they are just providing custody for her and the matters with the DCI. So the person who can order for her release is Mr. Amin Mohammed, and we're asking Mr. Amin Mohammed to let Njeri go home to her family, and maybe the law can say a bit more about it.
Earlier this morning, I received a call from Boni, Hussein and Hanifa. One of the main concerns is that the family and the members of the public are not able to have access to Njeri. And also with the fact that we know that her health is not the best of terms, it was quite concerning. So I was able to make some courtesy calls to the commander of the station. And fortunately, after some discussions, the family has been allowed to get access to Njeri. Also, Boniface and the rest have been able to gain access and also speak to her. And at this particular point, I know that this matter is with the Law Society. I am very certain that they are going to be able to engage legally on this issue. I wouldn't want to speak much to that, but as far as the Articles 49 of the Constitution is concerned, one of the few things, and I'll keep on mentioning this, the DCI, you have an independent mandate to not only protect the citizens, but also to follow your police orders to protect it. An individual like Njeri, who was exercising a civic duty, to not only be put under such immense pressure, but also even the fact that she was never read her Miranda rights. Her gadgets were taken without a proper miscellaneous application being filed in court. We do not have such warrants to take those particular gadgets.
I'm ready to die for freedom. I'm ready to die for justice. I'm ready to die for equality. We cannot continue living as slaves in our own country, in the land of our fathers, the land where our fathers bled and died to free this nation from the shackles of colonialism. Colonialism never really ended in this country. Even in this court, they use colonial penal codes, colonial laws. That is why I cannot get justice in a court of law. I want to speak myself. I realize that there comes an existential moment in time when you must speak for yourself. Nobody else can do it for you. I am tired. I'm so sick and tired of living as a slave in my own country. And I'll say this a lot of times, many times, and I'm going to do so many things, so many actions to bring change into this country. We cannot continue to be ruled like this, being ruled by sick people, by mad people, by liars and thieves and criminals. These are the people who are in power in Kenya, in Africa. That is the situation we are living in. That is kind of life we are living in. That's why people are dying and nobody cares. Poor people are suffering, nobody cares. So I don't know what's the role of the government. I don't know. I want to know today, what's the role of the government? To protect the people or to kill the people? Or to make the people suffer? I think we have failed our people. The government has failed, everybody has failed. We have also failed ourselves. I don't know, my concerns will not allow me to keep silent. And at any time, at any moment. I don't know whether this is going to come up anywhere, but we must have this debate. We must have this conversation. We cannot continue living in fear. I see a lot of fear in this country. A lot of fear in the courts. Just yesterday we saw a magistrate who was shot by a police officer. I want to speak, my dear friends. I want to speak because when you try to tell me to keep silent, my heart is burning. You know, it's burning because of this country. Because for 60 years we have been living like we are not human beings, like we are half human beings. We are considered like children of a lesser God. Now, this cannot continue. It cannot continue in any way. We are ruled by a minority that does not care for the interests of the majority. Politicians are liars and thieves. And they have stolen our freedom, they have stolen our minds, they have stolen our land, they have stolen our future. Politicians are established in lies and failed promises. We are victims of lies and failed promises, deferred hopes and blasted dreams for 60 years. I don't know what will happen. I don't know whether you're going to sentence me. I'm ready to be sentenced for 100 years. But I'm going to keep speaking the truth until the day I leave this world. We cannot continue living like this. My dear friends, we must resist. Resistance is the only way for this country, for Africa. People are dying everywhere. Even in Congo, people are suffering and we are silent. I don't know. We have failed as human beings. We have completely failed as human beings. We are on a test as human beings. I don't know why we call ourselves Christians. I don't know why we call ourselves educated people, civilized people. We are not. We are not civilized at all. We are stupid. And this stupidity is taking a toll on this country. Too much toll. It's so bad. It's too bad. It's too bad. We cannot continue living like this. The government must get out of the people.